Welcome to the study guide video for Microsoft Access Chapter 1. Please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Dive into the world of Microsoft Access. At its core, a database is an organized collection of facts about people, events, things, or ideas related to a specific topic. These facts are what we call data. For a simpler scenario, imagine a flat database. This is just a single, straightforward file, not linked to any other collections of data. It's like a solitary island of information. Now that you know what a database is, let's explore how it's structured in Microsoft Access. Every building needs a strong foundation, and in Access, that foundation is made of tables. Imagine tables as the backbone of Microsoft Access. They're not just a collection of rows and columns, they are where all the data lives. Each table in an Access database stores information about a particular subject, like customers, orders, or products. Think of a table as a specialized spreadsheet within your database. Now, within these tables, we have what are called records. A record is essentially a single row in a table, and it contains all the information about one specific item or entity. For instance, in a table of students, one record might contain all the data related to one student: name, student ID, course, and contact details. Then there's the concept of fields. Each field is a column in the table, and it represents a specific piece of information within a record. For example, in that same table of students, one field might be dedicated to phone numbers, another to addresses, and so on. With these components, Access structures data efficiently. But how do we ensure each record is unique? Identifying each record uniquely is crucial. Enter the primary key. This is the field in a database table that uniquely identifies each record within that table. Think of it as the VIP pass at an exclusive event. No two guests have the same pass, and it ensures that everyone is exactly who they claim to be. Now, let's dive into the world of normalization. This is the process of structuring a database to minimize redundancy and improve data integrity. It's like organizing a messy room so that you can find everything easily and nothing is duplicated unnecessarily. Ensure that data is organized in such a way that no piece of information is repeated where it doesn't need to be. This cuts down on confusion and storage space. Secondly, we employ techniques to maintain the precision and accuracy of the data entered. This means less time fixing errors and more time enjoying a smoothly running database. Proper keys and normalization are the secrets to a clean, efficient database. Let's dive into the diverse world of Access objects and operations that help manage and manipulate data efficiently. Starting with the objects, Access has several key components like queries, forms, and reports. Queries are powerful tools that retrieve specific data from your database. They let you filter and specify exactly what you're looking for. Forms, on the other hand, are used for entering, modifying, and viewing records. They make data interaction user-friendly and intuitive. Reports are all about presentation. They organize and display data from your database in a format suitable for printing and sharing. Now let's talk about the navigation pane. This is essentially your control center in Access. It helps you switch between different objects quickly and displays each object in an organized, easily accessible manner. Moving on to operations, populating a database is your first step, filling it with records that represent your data. When your database needs to grow, appending records to the end of an existing table is straightforward. And for those who love organization, the datasheet view is your go-to. It displays data in columns and rows, much like a spreadsheet, making it easy to read and edit. Access also gives you control over how your data is handled and displayed through field properties and data types. The property sheet is where you make precise adjustments to these properties, ensuring your data behaves just as you need it to. Access provides robust tools and views to manage and manipulate your data effectively. Now that we've covered the basics, you're on your way to mastering Microsoft Access. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. We started with the concept of a database, an organized collection of facts about people, events, things, or ideas. At the heart of any database in Access is the table, a structure that stores data in rows and columns, where each row represents a record and each column represents a field. A primary key uniquely identifies each record, ensuring that each piece of data can be retrieved distinctly. We also delved into normalization, a crucial process that applies design rules to ensure the database performs efficiently and accurately. Remember, good database design prevents redundancy and maintains data integrity. Understanding Access objects like tables, queries, forms, and reports is key. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you are unable to do that, you will need to log in. Creating a YouTube account is free and takes less than a minute. Thanks again and have a wonderful day.